What's on deck for today? Something that'll likely never ever be used. IBM PCjr internal modem. And the reason why it'll never be used. 300 bits per second. Woohoo. But this actually installs inside the computer. It's not a sidecar. I do wonder what, where does it say that? Direct connect. I wonder what that is. Actually connect it to another computer, you might be able to get some use out of this. Without a real phone line. Although at 300 baud, you could probably get away with VoIP stuff. Hey, a free phone cord. Thanks for that. Little pad there. Novation chipset, 1983 IBM. Okay, so Novation made this modem for them, I guess. Not a lot to it. Here's your phone cord. Looks like it hasn't suffered any damage from Father Time yet. Capacitors are probably all okay. What does that say? Complies with part FCC rules, ringer equivalent, yada yada. Okay, so the usual boilerplate for the feds. And of course, comes with the warranty card in the manual. How long is the warranty? 1 year, huh? Bummer. Well, it was sealed. Maybe I can get IBM to make good on that if it's broken. All right. Put the diskette drive in before you install the modem. Probably good advice. And there you have it, the PCjr internal 300 baud modem. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time.